Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hope you like my videos. Today I will be showing you 4 legit websites that you can make money from home, or you can work from home and get paid. So let's get started. It's not the fixed amount of 20 or 22, but all of them pay more than 20 per hour while you complete a job. So let's get started. So the first website uh, which I will be introducing is called User Testing. So this is the website, uh, how it looks like, and I will have all of the link for the websites that I'm introducing today in the description of the video, so you can have a direct access from there. And let me zoom it here. So it's usertesting.com, but again I will have the description, the name on the description of this video. So with this one, what they do is, uh, once you sign up with them, uh, you just like once you sign up with them, they will be sending you jobs. You will be as a normal customer or as a normal user, reviewing different applications, different websites, how their website look like. At the same time, you will be recording yourself, like just the audio. So you'll be talking about the website. Hey, this is a good logo. They design a good logo. They have a good uh, over relay. They have like good font. You'll be talking. That's how like they will improve their website, and user testing will pay you the amount for your time that you're spending on reviewing different websites. So here, once you're here on get paid to test, just click here, click here. See here, you can see earn up to 60 per test. It's I do have personally an account with them, so it depends really on questions. It's starting per question like 10 to 15 minutes question, from $10 for each per test. And but there are a lot of tests whom they pay like for 35 to 40 minutes, up to $60. So you can sign up with them from here and have a look. They will here like how it works. So you can see here, and let me click on their videos how they introduce their products.
Let's get you a ball, a little one-on. All right, looking for a basketball grandson. Get you a ball, a little one-on-one. Good.
Ooh, I love these. Do you have them in red? Of course. There you go. I already saw the black ones. I'd like them in red. Do you have them in red? Yeah.
What? I'm not outfitting the whole team.
Is this a joke?
Tired of complaining about bad websites and seeing nothing happen? Don't just complain about the problem, be part of the solution. It's easy. Join our panel at usertesting.com and help make the web a better place. The application process is simple. Complete a short sample test, then provide your demographic information. Once accepted, you can start taking tests that you qualify for. Taking a test is easy. Find a quiet place to record. Read the scenario and tasks carefully and complete them as fast as you can. Make sure to speak your thoughts out loud as you test the site or app.
What am I doing wrong here? Clicking add to cart. Think that's what I'm supposed to do. When I try to check out, there's nothing there.
Why doesn't it change color? I'd really like to see it change to the color that I click on.
Your feedback helps companies see what things aren't working on their site or app so they can fix frustrating problems. If you're ready to be a part of the solution, sign up today. It's fun, easy, and makes the web a better place. Oh, and you can earn a little extra cash, too. UserTesting.com. Join the solution.
Yeah, so you hear their introduction video. That's how it works. And if you like it, you can sign up with them from here, and I'm sure you'll make some extra cash. So let's move to our second website for today. That's called I'll have the website for them also on the description. So it's called Transcribe Me. This is the website name here. And most of the company recommended them. They have different services. You can sign up from here. And okay, here see what we have to offer. We pay more than anyone. So they pay starting ending from 15 to 22 per audio hours, and top monthly earning is 2,200. Average monthly earning is 250. And you can join from here. You can make some extra cash with them. That's how their website looks like. So let's move to our third website on how to make money of them. So that's called here, Scribe Media. Scribe Media is a big online platform, and they have joined our tribe. They have full-time watch videos and freelance watch videos. So you can explore it from here and from here, which one you like. If you want to work as a freelancer, you can work. Both of them is work from home. So let's click on freelance. That's what our topic for today is. Yeah, so that's how their screen looks like, but as I'm playing double screens, so it's kind of not loading well, as I'm recording at the same screen at the same time I'm recording and playing from their website. But that's how it looks like, and that's how people are happy with them. And you will be making more than the amount that you're thinking. Let's go to Glassdoor reviews here so we can see how much people are making with them. So once we click here, okay, so once we click there, we will be coming to the Scribe Media salaries. From here, we just click salaries. It's just okay, it's just asking for my login information, but you can log in and you can see their reviews from there. Let me try it one more time. Yeah, so you can see it from there, but you can make a lot of money with them if you work full-time or as a freelancer. So let's go to our fourth one and the last one for today, and let's see how that works. So this one is called HAWO American Academy, but their website is different. So it's called 51talk.com. I will have it in the link on the description. And with this one, you will be becoming a teacher. You don't necessarily need to have a lot of huge experience. As long as you're a native English speaker, you will be good to go. And with this one, once you apply, so you will be making something from, see, choose your schedule, become a master teacher, earn up to 22 per hour. So you're making a good amount from them and working from home. And here, how to apply. So here are the steps. Apply, the first step. Second step is interview. Pass the online interview and the teaching demo. Third one is orientation. Fourth one is training and onboarding. And fifth one is launching. So open your teaching slot. Start your home-based online class. It's so good. Much more people whom they have like kids, or they have family to support, or they don't have a car to drive to different job sites, so they work from home, and it's a good income for them to work from home. I will have the link for all of those 4 websites on how to make money from home in the description below. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, and let me know how that works for you. Thank you so much. Have a good one, and bye.